Hi, welcome back. A warm welcome to you. So in the last video we are going through trigonometric ratios of specific angles, okay, and we are pausing the video. We are actually stopping the video after 10 minutes because I don't want to overstuff you with 30 minutes videos. It's a feedback from somebody said that okay, don't make it more than 10 to 15 minutes, so that we can go through them separately one after other. So that's a good idea, I thought. So I'm just trying to follow that. Okay, whatever you say I'm going to do that because at the end it's for you I am doing. Okay, right. Okay, now let's to put the table here and see what we have done. Okay, right. Okay, that's okay, fine. I will do another one here and I'll put here. I will say this is trigonometric ratio, that is nothing but sine. I'll do only three, okay? Please, sine, cos and tan. You can do remaining all. Okay, or you want me to do also, it's fine. But I think you can actually reverse them and you can find it out. Okay, right. So we'll do only up to this. Sine, cos and tan. Right. Now 0, 30, 45, 60. Wow, so much we have learned, right? Very interesting. To be honest with you, I have learned lot when I am teaching you. Okay, when I teach, I always learn a little bit more. So that's why they say teacher is a student of a student. Somewhere I have read it. So accurate. Okay, let's see this. Okay, I am back. Sine 0, 0. Cos 0, 1. Tan 0, yes, you are right, 0. Sin 30, 1 by 2. Cos 30, root 3 by 2. Tan 30, 1 by root 3. Whatever we have done, I am just recounting them. Sin 45, 1 by radical 2 or square root 2. Cos 45, 1 by root 2. Tan 45, 1. Sin 60, root 3 by 2. Cos 60, 1 by 2. Tan 60, root 3. Sin 90, 1. Cos 90, 0. Tan 90, undefined, or you can say 1 by 0 is infinity or undefined. Generally we say undefined. That's okay, I'll keep it as infinity. That's it. We have done the table. Now the table is ready. Let us have some fun. We'll try to do some problems using this table. Okay, if you are with me, I am ready. So let us do this stuff. Sine of 60 degrees into cos of 30 degrees plus cos of 60 degrees into sine of 30 degrees. Find out this. Can you find it out? You can, right? What is sine of 60 degrees? Sine 60. Root 3 by 2. I will say root 3 by 2. What is cos of 30? Cos and 30. Root 3 by 2 again. Root 3 by 2 again. Plus cos of 60. 60 cos 1 by 2 into what is sine of 30? Sine 30. 1 by 2. Simplify this. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 by 4. Plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 4 equal to 1. That's our first one. We should celebrate that. Okay? Right. Now let's do one more. Yes, I know you want to do. Let's do some interesting stuff. This is just to basics to get you hang of what we are going to do. Okay. Let us do this one. What is 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30? What is 2 into tan 30? Tan 30 degrees. 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 30. Tan square 30 we have seen already. 1 by root 3 whole square. That is nothing but 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3. That is nothing but 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. This is nothing but equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 4. This becomes, I can cancel root 3 and this becomes 2. So this becomes root 3 by 2. Okay. Actually, this is nothing but equal to formula of sine 60 degrees. Can you check what is sine 60 degrees? Root 3 by 2. Yeah, there is a formula which you will know which says sine 2a is equal to 2 tan a plus by 1 plus tan square a. Okay, you will learn it. Don't need to worry about it. Okay, now whatever you are doing perfect. As per the syllabus, whatever is needed, we are going through. You are super. You are doing it very good. Okay. So that's how the problems will be. So I'll stop here. In the next video, we'll go through some more problems, or we will go through the trigonometrical identities. That means, what is the relation between sine and cos? What is the relation between secant and tangent? And what is the relation between cosecant and cot? Okay. So you can go through your textbook with this particular specific values of sine, cos and tan, right? You have this table ready with you. You can do any problem. It's just only you have to substitute and do these whatever the simplifications very carefully. That's it, nothing more than, right? So I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for visiting. Bye for now.